is Callie with Beautifully Inspired. Welcome back to our channel. We are so nice and warm and cozy in our house right now because we got our pellet stove in, and oh my gosh, I love it. So today I wanted to do a little bit of a reveal. We got a whole bunch of stuff, new projects in from Crafter's Choice. So I'm kind of really... My dogs were sleeping 2 seconds ago, and now I come into my studio and now they start getting up and playing around. They're in the other room, but anyway. One morning, afternoon actually. We had a fantastic day at the farmer's market yesterday. It was an absolute blast. All right, had to shoo them away. I have my little Pekingese, for whatever reason she's decided to get attention. She sits there and she coughs and she makes these funny noises, and so it's really annoying, and so I wanted to get her out of here so it would be really quiet for her. And you just saw Coco walk in. They can lay in here when I'm not doing anything. Sorry, Coco, I didn't mean to hit you. Lay down, baby. She can lay here. It's cleaning day in my studio, so we're gonna mop and clean up later. But anyway, I wanted to get back to what I was talking about. We got a whole bunch of shipments in for a whole bunch of really cool products that we're going to be bringing out. We got dog soaps coming out. We've got oatmeal soaps and bath bombs and other projects coming out. We've got a green tea and bergamot soap we're going to make. And I just wanted to show you what I got. I'm kind of plugging Crafter's Choice in today. I have been using them for the past 2.5 years, and I know they've been around for a really long time, but they're a really good company. And if you're looking for sources to get products from, products to make your products, Crafter's Choice is a really, really good choice. They have really honed in and brought out some fantastic products. Now, you've seen me with their oils. I got their liquid bath soap the other last week, and it worked out really good. I just have to label these with the front labels for my customers, but we got those packed up. They went out to the studio this last weekend, and oh my god, my customers loved them. I cannot wait to bring out some more scents for the kids, and especially for kids, because they like the bubble bath really well. They love bubble bath, so we got that bubble bath. It's a really good source for bubble bath. But anyway, Crafter's Choice is a really, really good company. It's wholesale supply or Crafter's Choice. It's created for the bath cosmetic industry, and they have some fantastic deals on there constantly. They've got something on sale almost every week, and I make sure that I have that I capture. I purchase whatever is on sale if I need it in my shop. So, and they normally have stuff in there. So some of the stuff that we have coming up and what I picked up that was on sale was, well, some of it was on sale, some of it wasn't. Let's put it that way. But we picked up neem oil for my dog soap. That's coming out at the farmer's market next week. I'll probably make that in just a little while. I picked up my green tea for the green tea bergamot soap. That will be an essential oil soap. I will also make that this week. I can't wait to bring that out because she really, really wanted it. I've got yogurt powder. I'm not quite sure what I got that one for. I have to look through my recipes. I think I got that one for the dog soap too. I think it's for the dog soap. Either that or it was for my scrubs. I can't remember. I don't have my recipes in front of me, so I can't tell you. But I got a big bag of colloidal oatmeal because I've had a lot of requests. I have several customers actually that have issues with their skin, and so we are going to be doing an unscented bath bomb, an unscented soap, and we're going to add the oatmeal to it. So I'm going to do an oatmeal soap, and then I'll do an oatmeal honey soap, and then I have a goat's milk honey oatmeal, and then a goat's milk oatmeal soap. So there's a couple different variations we're going to make with that oatmeal. So that's here. And then we're just going to do an oatmeal soap too. So my customers will have that. But what else did we get? Oh, and then I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I haven't really tried this at all. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to break it down and do it. I've always wanted to make a scrubbing base, a natural scrub base, but every time I've tried to make it, I it fails on me, and I don't know why. Either I think it might be the sugar that I'm using in it, so maybe I'll go to do a salt scrub instead of a sugar scrub. I don't know, but anyway, it always completely solidifies and goes away, and then it ends up not being a scrub. So I think I'm using the wrong type of sugar. So what I decided to do is, instead of trying to do that, I wanted to make my own for now, is I wanted to get in and find a sugar scrub or a scrub base that I could actually have in my shop. And so I thought, you know what, instead of reinventing the wheel, I'm just going to use what other people are using. And since this is an all-natural scrub base, I thought this is perfect, because this is what I want in my shop. We are vegan, all-natural products. All right, so back to what I was saying. So I wanted to do an all-natural scrub for my customers, because I don't get a whole lot of requests for it, but I do get some requests. And I thought this would be perfect to find a natural base, because like I said, I have used a lot of different recipes, and I don't feel like paying somebody for their recipe, even though I did buy Katie's recipe for her soap recipe. I couldn't really find a good soap frosting recipe, and she had the best one, so I grabbed it, and it was worth the money. But I have been looking and trying all these different recipes, and it's not that they failed. They just weren't up to my expectations of a scrub. You know, when I think of a scrub, I think of a scrub. Well, none of my scrubs worked out. So I said, enough. I'm just going to go find a natural base, and that's what I did with Crafter's Choice. Crafter's Choice has a base, a natural base, and I've been wanting to try it, so I actually got it. And I'm going to pull it out of they send it, here, I'll lift it up for you guys. They send it in this bag, which I was really surprised at, but I have a lot of buckets behind me that are empty, so we're just going to dump this into the bucket so I can use it easier. So we're going to unpack this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. So this is the bag that you get. Now, like they say, it's a base. It is not meant to be used as is. You do have to add things to it. This is just your starter base to get you going. It's got the butters and the sugars and everything in it. So I'm going to then, from this base, see if I can't find some more recipes. I can smell that through the package. It smells really good. So I'm going to take this base and go from there and add the additives to it that I need. Now, what additives I need, I don't know, because I'm still in the development of my full recipe. But at least I have the base to get started with. And I got 10 pounds. You can buy it in smaller pounds, but 10 pounds is a good starter for me. I tend to make a couple really good. I use, what I do with when I buy them this big is I make half the recipe, sent a couple of them, and then send them off into my shop, because I really don't sell a whole lot. I may sell one or two at every venue per shop, so maybe no more than 5 bath scrubs at my shop, but because I don't get a lot of requests for it. But I do get a lot of requests for other things, so, you know, sometimes I'll buy them in bigger base. But I wanted to try this sub scrub and see how well it really worked in my shop and see if my customers really like it. Now, I just had fun this weekend with a lady, bless her heart, she's so sweet. She just got a tattoo on the back of her neck, and it was so red and inflamed, and she just had an issue with it. And I said, would you do me a favor? And she says, she looked at my tattoo balm. She says, you have tattoo balm. I need it. I said, I'm going to do something I normally wouldn't do, but I'm going to give you this tattoo balm, and if you would try it out and tell me how you feel about it, let me know, give me a review back, you can have it. And so it was, I make so much money at my venues that if I have a new product and a customer really needs it, I don't have a problem giving one away. And all my customers, I had a bunch of people around me, and I just threw the thing at her. I says, here, take this, try it out, tell me how you feel about it. I'm willing to go. And all my customers around me were like, holy crap, did she just do that? And I was like, yes, I did, because I'm here to help people. I'm not here to harm people. And they were like, oh my God. Everybody that was surrounding her bought something from me to support that. It was really a cool experience. But anyway, she tried it and she loved it, and I was really glad at that. So, but anyway, so I was really happy for that experience for her. She really needed it. Yeah, her poor tattoo was really red and inflamed. I felt bad for her. But she said that the new balm just completely calmed it down. It was perfect. So that was a plus for me. I was really hoping that would happen. So anyway, so it's good to find a new product and have customers' feedback that is so positive, and that's what I'm finding in my shops. People absolutely love my shop. So anyway, back to the scrub. So anyway, what we're going to do with this, and I'll film the development of the product, is I'm going to look on recipes and see if I can't find other people that have used this, see what their additives is, and see what other additives are in a base, and then go from there and see what I can do to make this better for my customers. I'll add a scent to it. Maybe I won't add a scent to it. Maybe I'll just add whatever they didn't add into it and make it a really good scrubbing base. Maybe that's what I'll do. Because I'm getting a lot of customers that don't like scents, which is really cool. So, or they like the essential oil scents. So that's something we're going to put in development. I'm super excited to try that out. And we have a brand new list again from last week that I have to do. Although my list this week isn't that bad, and it's really easy to do. Most of what I have to do is just unscented products. So that's what we're going to do this week. So we'll do unscented, we'll do our dog soap now that I have the dog stuff in. We'll do the green tea bergamot soap for the customer that really wanted it. We'll do the oatmeal soaps for my customers, which I've been wanting to bring the oatmeal in anyway. I just wasn't sure which kind of oatmeal. Some people said, well, you can buy the Quaker Quick Oats and make a slushy from that and go from there. I wanted not to do that. I didn't want a commercially produced product in my products. I wanted natural stuff. So I did my research and found out that the colloidal oatmeal is the best to add into your soaps and stuff. It's all natural. And that's what we're going to be doing. I got a 5-pound bag of it because we're going to go through quite a bit of that real quick. So that and I will film that. So, and just so you guys know, we did all the bath bombs and stuff. I did not film it. Unfortunately, you should have seen my studio. I did probably 30 different bath bombs between the kids and the women's, and then we did 10 shower steamer scents for the men. And I have to do the women's shower steamers this week because you didn't do the women's. Why not? Did you not do the women's? And I said I ran out of time. Honestly, they're coming out next week, so I got to do that this week. So my week is setting up to be really, really not hard, but really easy, and I like that because the past 2 weeks I have been so slammed between soaps and other things that I haven't been able to concentrate on the things that I really need to. So now we're bringing out the products that we really want to bring into our shop and getting rid of all the extra stuff that my customers have wanted, with the exception of the green tea bergamot. She didn't come back for that. I let her know that it was going to be a couple weeks because I had to get the green tea in because I didn't have any. I was out of it. So now that we got that, we will get that done. Open up the green tea so I can work on that soap. So we will have... that smells good. So we'll have a green tea bergamot soap coming out this week. I have another soap that sold out this weekend. We'll get that one remade. I have to do more magnesium lotions. I'll make those tomorrow because I have 4 more jars. I sold out of my magnesium second week in a row. So if you want magnesium lotion in your shop, go learn how to make it. It's really easy and a lot of fun. Oh, and then I'm also bringing back my Dragon's Blood soap because I have a lot of requests for that still. So that one is definitely coming back in this shop. And then I'm going to attempt, which I should be able to get done, both the last 4 of my men's soaps and the last 4 of my kids' soaps, because I have some requests for a couple of those. So we've got that. We've got Candy Crush, Fruit Loops, Bubblegum, and then it's a strawberry crunch, and all those scents come from here again, Crafter's Choice. So definitely go and look at their scents. They've got some fantastic scents. My men's scents, oh my god, my customers love the men's scents. So Crafter's Choice is a really, 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 really good company. If you have never used them, go use them. It's a company that I highly recommend. I love Crafter's Choice. If I can't find what I'm looking for, organic or all natural on Amazon, and if you haven't, here's another one, a really good company, truthfully. If you haven't found wholesale prices for some of your ingredients, go to Amazon. I've been able to find really, really good quality company products on Amazon in their wholesale section. So I could have gotten the yogurt powder and the oatmeal from them, but I found that Crafter's Choice actually had it cheaper, so I got it there. And if I can't find it on Crafter's Choice, I usually go to Amazon because Amazon has it. So, and sometimes I can get my stuff cheaper. Sometimes my shea and my mango butters are cheaper than Crafter's Choice. It really depends. So my main go-to is Crafter's Choice or Wholesale Supply if you're looking for a really good source for ingredients for your products. Now you can go to other places. There's New Directions. There's if you're a candle shop, there's the Candle Shop, I think is the name of it. There's just a whole bunch of really good wholesale companies out there that are selling products that you can use. So definitely go out there, do your research, and find the cheapest place. The cheapest place isn't necessarily the best place, so just be aware of that. I've had a couple companies that I stopped doing business with because their stuff was not the best. I got the product in, I was extremely disappointed in the quality, and I stopped using them, and I went back to Crafter's Choice to be truthful. So just be aware of that. Especially in my scents, because Crafter's Choice does test their scents. I'm trying to open this up so I can make that dog soap later. They do test their stuff so that they know it's really good quality. So anyway, so there's my soapbox for the day, my advice for the day. Go do Crafter's Choice. They've got everything from neem oil to micas to flowers to they've got fragrance oils, maximum. They've got 3 companies that they work with. Bare Essentials, I think is the name, BARE Essentials, and Just Scents is another company they work with, and then Crafter's Choice Essential Oils. So there's 3 different fragrance oil companies, and then they do have some essential oils on there too. So if you're looking for good quality products, I'm going to plug in Crafter's Choice. I love them. They're great. I've been using them for the past 2.5 years, and they don't disappoint, let me tell you. So anyway, so there you have it. Thank you everybody for joining me. I'm going to get in and find my recipes and lay things out for me to get done this week. And we're going to start working on projects. I'll probably hold off until next week on the sugar scrub because I want to work on I got to look for the recipes. So that'll probably be a couple weeks before we get that in, but it's coming. So anyway, so there you have it. Thank you everybody for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And don't forget to leave a comment or ask me a question if you have one. Thanks everybody. Bye.